Welcome, welcome, welcome to my channel.
I got that one. Who's next? Got that one. Oh my God. 6'7". This dude come off. He come off the thing standing up. Okay. Nice workout room. Hubby and I just did our workout. It's beautiful relaxation. You can never get enough of that. I tell you what, this resort here in Florida, it's kind of outside of Orlando, but I would highly recommend it. The rooms are nice, the family area and all of that is nice as well. There's so much to do. You can rent bikes, play basketball. The only thing that I will say, the food is kind of expensive, and the hotel is kind of like out towards the middle of nowhere, so they really do make it convenient. Everything is here. They have 3 different buildings that you can stay in. So it's a lot to do here, and great resort for kids, for family, for whatever you want to do. There's something for everyone. So I highly recommend it. If you are coming to Orlando for a couple of days and you just want to chill, try this resort, you will not be upset because there's tons of stuff to do for family, especially kids. And it's not in the central area where lots of traffic. There's a jacuzzi over there. Got an arcade room as well. Very nice and relaxing. There's another tower. There's 3 towers on the lot, on the resort area. Very family oriented. You finna come to the left, baby. Come on. Come to the left, baby. That's mama's boys. Those are my 2 boys. Scholarship athletes. Tuesday morning work day.
This is the food, the crab food.
Wow. Oh. here, the same color.
Cuban cigars. This is where they make them. Place where they make cigars in Cuba. Hi, ma'am. Beautiful. Así, muy bonito. Muy bonito. Sí.
No work. Too much days for you. Now inside for looking the big cigar Cuba. Remember. Go. No.
One more time, ladies and gentlemen, make some noise for our amazing crew!
Fire, fire. How's the fire in the water?
Hello, hello, hello.
Yes, sir. Peace. What's going on?
Yeah. Beautiful God's creation.
Here, this is the Tour de Prado.